Robots don't fail because they're dumb, they fail because they lack the right kind of experience. Unlike language models, robots can't just scrape the web, they need structured, multimodal, task-specific data, and that's expensive, fragmented, and hard to scale. Currently, the industry relies on four main methods to obtain robot data. First, real robots with human demonstrations. Think Google's Sekim project, where humans guide robots through household chores. Second, simulated environments with humans in the loop, like Meta's Habitat Sim, using virtual homes to teach robots how to walk and find things. Third, pure human motion capture. Projects like OpenX Embodiment map human movements to robots of all shapes and sizes. And fourth, fully synthetic data with reinforcement learning. OpenAI famously trained a robot hand to solve a Rubik's Cube in simulation, then nailed it in the real world. They all work, but scaling any of them? That's the hard part. At MossIDAA.ai, we built a full-stack, human-in-the-loop pipeline, designed to deliver robot training data that's clean, scalable, and structured. Here's how it works. Step 1, we start by translating complex instructions into natural task flows. Step 2, operators use VR or controllers to perform tasks in simulation. Step 3, all motion, object states, and camera views are recorded. Step 4, we add physics locks and validation scripts to prevent unstable scenes. Step 5, QA happens step by step, every action must pass both logic and physics checks. If something fails, successful motion traces can be replayed for re-recording. So in the end, we've got task templates for the things robots do most, automatic retries when something goes wrong, and outputs that stay consistent. It means they learn quicker, and mess up a lot less. From mixing ingredients to handling fragile objects, our clients train robots that don't just act. They plan, adjust, and understand.